Okay, so here it is. This is the last lesson in the last chapter of the last booklet. Last lesson of Pre-California, yes. Woo! Last example of the last lesson, of the last chapter, of the last... Okay, I'll stop now, sorry. Okay, so it says, determine the value of n if the fifth term in the binomial expansion of 2x squared minus 1 over x all to the power of n is 280x squared. So we have been given the coefficient, we're given the power. Now what we need to do is we need to figure out the value of n. So to determine n, we don't need to use the coefficients. So for a equals 2x squared, we only need to use a is equal to x to the power of 2. And then for the b value, which is negative 1 over x, we only need to use, you can just use the variable portion. So it's 1 over x, and then we can use the fact that in exponent form we write x to the power of negative 1. All right? Okay, so x squared is equal to x squared and then to the power of n minus 4 times x to the power of negative 1 to the power of 4. All right, so now let's just simplify what our exponents are here then. So x squared is equal to x to the power of 2 times n minus 4. So if I multiply this through, I get 2n minus 8. And then that's times these two guys multiplied, x to the power of negative 4. Okay, now combine them into one base. X squared is equal to x 2n minus 8 minus 4. X squared equals x to the power of 2n minus 12. Drop the bases, and we end up
6 plus 6 is 12.
2 equals 2n minus 12. And solve for n. Add 12. 14 equals 2n. n is equal to 7. And there you have it. We're done. There's your homework. You're not done because you guys have homework, right?
Oh my God!
Make it happen, folks.